I feel like Christmas.
There's got to be thousands of big kois just in this one house.
Is the largest exporter of koi in Japan. Oh my God! I want it, I want it, I want it, I want it.
I said they're too big for my pond.
Yeah, they are.
Hey, good morning everybody, at the Pond Professor here. We are in Niigata, Japan, and we are checking out our first koi farm. Totally looking forward to this. This is going to be an unbelievable experience. Actually, I'm a little bit behind everybody behind the tour because I was trying to get my camera together. We're going to head in here and check everything out. Holy cow! Look at the amazing fish in here. Unbelievable. Wow, I have never ever seen anything like this before, and we are here to listen and learn from the masters. All right, John, what are you thinking?
It's crazy what he said. This is the largest exporter of koi in Japan. There's 100,000 fish in this place, and how many ponds these guys have. He said they're actually pulling fish in every day. Fish are coming in from the mud ponds right now, and this is like the hottest season, and I think, like, I want that one. No, I'm like, where did it go? You go fish blind in here, man.
Ryan, what do you think?
Oh my God!
It's unreal.
Like, I want it, I want it, I want it, I want it.
It's insane.
These fish are like small children swimming around. Like, they're so big.
And I don't even think you could even tell the scale of them on camera like this. Like, you almost need to get somebody swimming in there.
You don't see fish this size back home, ever.
No.
And ponds that are 30 years old, 50 years, you just don't see them this big. And every fish in here is that big.
What do you think?
I feel like Christmas. I literally woke up super excited today. It's like Christmas as an adult.
Yes.
It never gets old. I did it 3 years ago with my dad. My mom said she was jealous, and so now I've got Pond Mom out.
Yes.
Hey Mom, what do you think?
I said they're too big for my pond.
Yeah, they are. Basically, it's like every one of these fish are like Shaquille O'Neal.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. What do you think, Tom?
Just incredible. The amount, the size, and then the quality. The quality is the best I've ever seen. Really amazing. But quantity, there's got to be thousands of big kois just in this one house.
Yeah, never seen anything like it. What I really want to know is where these fish spend most of their lives. So they have just been brought in, so they haven't been in these greenhouses for that long. So I want to go see the natural ponds where they spend the majority of their life. All right, so Brian, how long have these fish been inside?
Maybe only a few weeks, probably just harvested.
Okay.
And he harvests these koi like every day, so the mix might change every single day here.
What a production. One incredible facility after another here. And these fish, they're sorting right now. They just came in from the mud bottom pond. They were just seined out, and they're in the process of separating them. So they're moving the fish into different areas according to what the perceived values are. They've been doing it for many generations, so they have an eye for what they're doing and know exactly what to look for. So Ryan just said that this pond could have potentially $10 million worth of fish inside of it. Unbelievable. So this facility, he has produced multiple grand champion kohakus from this farm, and you could tell. Look at these incredible fish. Beautiful body shapes, incredible colors, and then just that massive size. So you can see down below, down here in the valley, they've already drained these ponds, pulling fish out. They're bringing them all indoors, and then they'll bring them back out in spring to continue to grow them out further for sale next year. So they have a very specific system on how they grow the fish out, harvest, kind of move the fish back and forth from the natural ponds into these greenhouses. Just an amazing view. What I love about it is the natural bottom ponds here. Highly biologically diverse. You have that soil structure, which is very, very important for the health of the koi, but it also gives all the minerals, the nutrients, and everything that they need to grow, which is one of the reasons that they can grow these fish to amazing sizes, as well as just the health of the overall fish. Just incredible here. All right, we're standing in the natural earthen bottom pond. So this is a clay lined pond filled up with natural water that they have here right from the mountains. But what I'm interested in is the stuff down here in the bottom. So you look at the substrate. So whenever I'm designing an ecosystem, I'm deconstructing a natural habitat. And when you drain the water out of these earthen bottom ponds, you see this natural substrate. So this is a benthic substrate loaded with river rocks and cobblestones. There's silt, there's sand, there's all these different things together inside of here. This is home for all the microscopic organisms that are actually responsible for the cycling of the nutrients inside of the pond. It's going to be a good food source for the koi. It's also responsible for the incredible water quality that they need to live, to thrive, and to grow to these massive sizes. We are basically on the side of the road right here, and here we are picking out some incredible tancho shoas. So this particular breeder is known for breeding tancho shoas. The tancho means it has that red dot right on top of the head, which is a very unique signature for that fish. And here we have some spectacular specimens in this pond.
I like how symmetrical it is. It looks literally like it's been painted. It's like a sports car.
Yeah, it's a foolish Shisui right there.
Racing stripes, is exactly right.
So this was so much fun. Ed, you picked out some, Greg picked out some, I picked out a couple. These are all gonna be available for sale in the retail store. We've got these massive two Shishuis. These are the ones with the big spines coming down here. We got an awesome Kohaku. We got a Jinrin Ochiba in here. Can't wait to show all of our customers back home these cool fish.